Hello, my name is Matt Hasty, and I'm a member of Team 34. I'm pursuing my undergraduate degree in electrical engineering at ASU. Our team is composed of 4 online students working with General Dynamics to develop a novel approach to waveform identification using neural networks. This project was proposed by Tal Arigaki at General Dynamics, and I reached out to him because the concept of using AI methods to identify unknown waveforms sounds incredibly interesting, and it would be a challenging learning experience. Our project will focus on training a neural network to identify a given signal based on a sample size and given a specific signal-to-noise ratio. To begin this journey, we will start by researching and becoming familiar with the sample waveforms and their defining characteristics. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jim Stewart, and I'm in the senior year of my electrical engineering degree at ASU Online. I'm an older student returning to college to finish my degree after a long hiatus, but I've always been drawn to electronic communications. From the TV in the living room, to the radio in my truck, to the internet on my cell phone, to the pictures beamed through space from the Cassini probe. None of these would be possible if it weren't for electronic communications. So I was excited to hear of the waveform identification project that was proposed by General Dynamics. Looking around you at all the devices that are using electronic communications, it's easy to imagine how congested the airwaves are becoming. It's also painfully obvious when electromagnetic interference causes these devices to slow down or even lose their connections altogether. Wouldn't it be great if the device could constantly monitor the surrounding electromagnetic landscape and adjust its communications to use what's best for that particular environment? That's just one of the ways this project might help change the world. With my pathway focus on signals and communications, I thought this would be a great project to increase my knowledge and provide some real engineering opportunities. Turns out that I'll not only be working on identifying signals that I didn't even know existed, but I'll be learning about neural networks, artificial intelligence, and deep machine learning too. Artificial intelligence in particular is a relatively new science, and I'm really looking forward to gaining an understanding of its possibilities. I also hope to learn more about real-world digital signal processing and the modulation schemes in use today. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Ben Hunter. I'm a senior electrical engineering student and will be graduating in 2019 with a focus in power systems. Along with Matt, Jim, and Albert, I will be working on the waveform identification project put forth by General Dynamics, involving the use of artificial intelligence and neural networks. When I was first approached about this project, it seemed daunting to say the least. In my limited experience with the subject, it still had a science fiction air about it. Research has shown me the opposite to be true. Though it's still going to be challenging, work completed so far has been extremely interesting and opened my eyes to a whole new area that I had not really considered before. By the end of this project, through research and hands-on experience, I hope to have a greater understanding of the broad field of artificial intelligence and how it is being used to solve many of today's complex problems.
Hello, I'm Albert Kalustian, and I'm a senior electrical engineering student at Arizona State University, set to graduate in mid-2019. I'm interested in pursuing my interests in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and through this project hope to increase my experience in those subjects. Since joining the project, each of us is focused on researching topics related to the project, including reading past case studies of AI-driven waveform classification. Our mentor Tal has suggested numerous academic papers and basic subjects to brush up on in preparation for this project. Each of us has read and watched informative videos online in preparation for the task of training a neural network to classify waveforms. We've also so far had 3 phone conference Q&A sessions with Tal, including an official in-brief by General Dynamics summarizing their progress in the project in past semesters and in past endeavors. This has served as a great jumping-on point for our group, especially with the suggestions General Dynamics has made on how best to move forward. We look forward to diving into the provided data samples from General Dynamics, and will keep our progress updated on the Senior Project Discussion Board. Thank you for watching.